வணக்கம். Art is making happy. Okay, who creates art? Are they very happy? Very happily they are creating. If they are not happy, is it possible to create a good work of art? See, actually, if is it art creating art for your survival, for your life, to lead the life? So many things are, comes. Because when you take the 17th century masters, Dutch painter Rembrandt, actually, Rembrandt painted very less works, and he had a very good, contacts with all the dukes, rich people, like lords and nobles, like that, So he paints the rich people portrait, and mostly something like that. He himself, self-portrait, with a cap, and something like that. He's a very good personality. He was. So finally, he married a rich lady, and to lead his life, he took loan from the bank, and he was not able to repay till his death. And his wife dies, lot of children, wife dies. Then he lives with a long time companion, another lady. You might have seen, a lady, on the water, taking her skirt, standing on the water, something like that, one painting. And before him, his son dies. Then, his friend who took, for the loan and all this, the property and these things, who was maintaining, he dies. Finally, Rembrandt, dies. Okay. But we are, in art circle, art world, we all are celebrating Rembrandt, because even in the film industry, some particular light, it is Rembrandt light they are calling, it is one side light, and so the lighting, even now in the College of Arts, we are learning, it is a Rembrandt book we refer, and like the light was set like that, something like that. Okay, so we celebrate his art, but in his personal life, not a happy life. Maybe initially he was a bit happy, but it was not that good. Anyway, this is one thing, and as all, another my favorite, Vincent Van Gogh. He was from a Orthodox Christian family, and at the age of 17, when he come to Paris to work in a gallery, his father gave him a Bible, and he comes, and he was working, and he fell in love with a girl, the house owner where he was staying, and she refused his proposal, and he goes back to his place, and again he comes, and because seeing all the works in the gallery, he started creating art, and his favorite was again Rembrandt. To see Rembrandt works, he comes all the way from Paris to Amsterdam, by walk. Even me and Santana Krishnan, 2 years back, we had been to Paris for a show, and from there by train we came to Amsterdam to see the museum, Van Gogh Museum and Rembrandt Museum, and we came by train. The same day we returned. It is by train, I think 3 hours, something like that. But he walked because. Belgium, in between Belgium comes, so he was walking whole night to reach Amsterdam, something like that, and finally he died in a very tragic way. But his art we are celebrating. The entire world, global, is celebrating Vincent Van Gogh, paintings. So anyway, this is one side. Now I yesterday I talked to one Murthy. Yes, my Facebook friend, past 1 year I think, and his works are amazing. He's very detailed with the pen. He makes realistic way, and even watercolor. He tried all the this one, and his life yesterday he was telling me, because I saw one work, and it took maybe a month. He is happy. He selling good, something like that. No, I was, this is my habit. I took personal interest, to know that. Anyway, I know him, I saw his work, just like that, I made a comment that, something like that. Is it okay? Because it takes long time to this one. Why don't you change your medium? Something like that, a small suggestion. Sometime, I may think after posting, maybe he might have, feel bad or something like that. But still now, whoever I given the comments, they took in a positive way. Maybe, I don't know, they like me, I don't know. Anyway, he sent a reply that, can I get your phone number? I sent. He called immediately. I talked to him. He didn't complete his schooling. He's from Erode, and he left Erode, to Mumbai, and he went straight to JJ School of Arts, to get how to get in, to learn. Then they said, your educational qualification is not enough to join, and there are so many processes there to get, to enter into JJ School of Arts. There is a test, and so many things are there. So he was sitting in the canteen, JJ School of Arts canteen, and the canteen run by a Tamilian, and he was talking to him and this. So he was started working in the canteen, Okay, because at least, he can be in the JJ school, campus, something like that. So there he met Riaz Komu. He used to come, regularly, maybe to meet somebody, and he met and he talked to him, and he told, his interest in art and this. Then Riaz Komu, he said, come to my studio. You can work like that. So because 2-3 guys are working in Riaz Komu's projects, so he also joined, and he was working with him. There he met all the Bose Krishnamacharya and other all, Santosh and all this, the Kerala born artist settled in Mumbai. They are all well established artists, of course. So he met, and he side by side he was working also. He started working, and this one is that some gallery owner arranged a show in the US with Reza Hussain and all the big names, including Murthy's work, was displayed in the US, and so like that. But finally, somehow, he returned. He doesn't like to stay like that way. I don't know. So he came to Erode again and married. Now he is having 2 children. Then he joined in the school as an art teacher, part time. Then he joined full time, art teacher, and he was working. And maybe the Focus Gallery is planning for a solo show for him. Then in between this Corona, all this happened. Definitely he is a very good artist, and people will celebrate his art. Sure, I'm confident, and probably next year beginning, maybe his show will be there, and something like that. So this is one thing. And another artist is also my Facebook friend, Vengarai Krishnan. Even yesterday I posted his works. He does watercolor and pencil and all this. You'll be surprised. He is now 87 years old. Retired. Actually, he is from Tiruchi. He is a BCom graduate and working somewhere, maybe bank or something. I didn't know that. And he lives with his wife in Chennai now, Mylapore, somewhere, I don't know. And he does watercolors. What a beautiful watercolors. He's very, see, maybe he's not properly trained from the art college or any art institution, but his interest on the art is something great. We have to appreciate. Very sincere, and all this. It is the spot painting only. Either it is from the central library here in Bangalore, or in a street, or in a village. He sits there, and he takes, or he paints. Very beautiful work, watercolor, such a nice work. And I just posted yesterday. I was impressed. I used to comment, and he used to comment all my works. He is very, I never met him, but he is my very close friend. Okay, he is my like elder brother. Okay, anyway, after him, I am now praying God that I should live, like him in more number of years. There are artists, they like Hussein 90 plus, Picasso 90 plus, like that. Even my very good friend and senior artist here, S.D. Vasudev, 80, he is making very good drawing, not shaky like that. Even once I asked him, how come you make, because Alfonso sir, he's also similar age, but his hand is shaky. How come? When I asked, he said, Subra, I don't know, because my hand doesn't know the age. Daily morning practicing. So the same way, the hand is doing like that, he said. What a answer. And again, Vengari Krishnan, I like his work, So then he said he appreciated. He sent a reply, a big paragraph. Thanks for your appreciation and all this. Like, you were a big artist, telling about this. Then I said, two artists I know. I am very fond of two artists from the college period. Is, of course, Vincent van Gogh, my favorite all the time. Then Marc Chagall. So Marc Chagall is little similar to Vengari Krishnan. Then I replied, and he said, Monet, all other artist names he mentioned in his reply. Really, I surprised, to read. He's not simply doing, he knows what he is doing actually. That is why it's a beautiful work. So this way, this is another artist I liked the way his reply and this. Then I put a note that maybe Krishnan is preparing for his first solo show, something like that. Maybe, to get him more interest and to do the shows or something like that. Because we have to celebrate. His art should be celebrated. It should be like that. Then another one artist is very, very important for me is Ravi Lax. Ravi from Trichy. And he is also working, he is from our Kumbakonam School of Arts, graduation. And when Ravi was very young, he used to friendly with A.P. Santanraj. Without knowing he is such a big man, somehow, they were living in the same place or something like that through his father. They came to know before joining the art college. When the schooling time, he knows Santanraj. So like that, he is interested and he joined art college, and now he is working in Trichy. There is a school, and very, very importantly, he himself is a very good painter. His works are amazing, whether Ganesha or these, and with the traditional storytelling subject, beautiful works. And especially one Red Ganesha is my favorite anyway. And his students, they are participating every year in national students meet in Delhi, and every year they get awards from the All India students meet, cultural meet like that. And new innovative ideas like leather puppets, like so many things. And he is another artist. I just love his work, and so sincere. Why all this I am telling, because whatever it is, we should not get into trouble. We have to escape from the trouble, whatever way it is. It is individual again. You have to make your comfort zone, happy zone you have to create yourself mentally, Probably, again, I'm telling you have to meditate or whatever, little bit spiritual side. If you go, you will be relieved from all this, Then you create art. You, by creating, you have to celebrate art. Then people also will naturally celebrate your art. Yeah, okay. Thank you.